Did you know that your eyes can tell a lot about your health? In today's video, you will find out what is happening in your body just by observing your eyes. The eyes are called the windows to the soul. We can learn a lot about someone just by watching their eyes. Isn't it true? A good look or even a glance can give us much more information than somebody's body language. However, the soul is not the only thing that we can see in the eyes. Usually, they also give important clues about our health. Did you know that eye issues can be a signal of other diseases? If for any reason you have a sudden loss of sight or double vision, immediately seek professional help. This simple event can mean a thrombosis is coming. Let's see some other health issues that can be revealed by your eyes. Blurry or cloudy vision. Spending too much time in front of a computer or phone screen might be the cause of your trouble focusing your eyes. Computer vision syndrome, or CVS, may be straining your eyes and preventing you from focusing your sight. The issue has a simple solution. Take frequent breaks from the screen as much as you can. The suggestion is to take a 5-minute break every 25 minutes. That will relieve your blurry vision. Another thing that causes blurry vision is diabetic retinopathy. People diagnosed with diabetes have to pay double attention to their health since diabetic retinopathy also damages the blood vessels on the retina, which then causes blurry vision. In this case, talk to a doctor to investigate your symptoms. Are you enjoying the video? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Recurrent stye. Styes are caused by an ingrown eyelash or a small infection in the eyelids. They are painful and annoying, but usually disappear after a few days. Sometimes they require treatment with antibiotics, and in some rare cases, can be malignant. If you have recurrent styes that take too long to go away, it may be a signal of sebaceous gland carcinoma. Don't wait to schedule a visit to your ophthalmologist. Dark spots. If you have a dark spot in your vision, it might be a headache approaching. Dark or blind spots accompanied by lights or lines are called migraines with aura. Turn off the lights and rest until the headache goes away. If it doesn't solve your issue, talk to a doctor as soon as possible. Thyroid issues. The thyroid gland can cause 2 different sight issues: eyebrow hair loss and protruding eyes. The most common reason for hair loss is hypothyroidism, which causes a lack of hormones in the thyroid, and that, in extreme cases, causes hair loss on the entire scalp. Another thing that is related to hypothyroidism is protruding eyes. That means that your thyroid is overworked, also known as Graves' disease. If you notice something similar happening to you, seek a doctor immediately. Yellow eyes. Have you ever noticed someone's eyes turn yellow? It is a signal of jaundice, which makes the white of the eyes yellow. It can happen to newborns who have their liver function still underdeveloped, and also to adults. This symptom is linked to the state of your gallbladder, liver, or biliary duct. If you notice your eyes turning to a yellow shade, don't wait to visit a doctor. So did you know how many things your eyes could reveal about your health? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.